Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss update from Footprints.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Footprints, another exciting and fun-filled video, playgroup video series, age group of 24 months to 36 months. Today's activity title is Shapes Speed Challenge. Yes, of course, speed matters. Today we are going to learn shapes while hunting different shapes. From our home, maybe drawing room, maybe classroom, wherever you are, we'll fix a timer and we will ask you to hunt for different shapes from the area you are sitting right now, okay? So, as we follow high school curriculum, this activity comes under key development indicator called speed, okay? So, these KDIs helps us to analyze our child's mental, emotional and physical development. So to proceed with the video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So for this shape speed challenge activity, you need large piece of papers with shapes drawn on them. This is circle, as you can see, square, triangle. Can you see different things, different items of circle shape, different items of square shape and different items of triangle shape? Just have a look. Okay, you can draw the different shapes on your floor as well, or you can keep 3 different baskets. Now what we are going to do, we are going to hunt for different shape items in our room wherever you are sitting, okay? And for the speed challenge, I'm going to switch on my stopwatch and I will fix the timer for 1 minute. So I'm also going, you also go, pause the video for the next 1 minute, come back with the items you collected from your surroundings. Ta-da, come back. Ta-da, I'm back. 1 minute over, no cheating, come back to the screen. Okay, let's see how many items did I collected, okay? Which shape is this? The snatching was this one. Square. Which shape is this? Square. And how about this? This is not a triangle. This is a circle. Oh my god, a big ball. Actually, I was sitting in my toy area, so I collected all my toys. You must be sitting at your home, so go to the kitchen and hunt for some vegetables. Your tomato might match with the circle. In high school curriculum, we are just experiencing and exploring new things. So you are open to collect anything from your home and try to correlate them with different shapes. Right now we are discussing only 3 shapes: circle, square and triangle. See, what is this? This is a dice. So it comes in a circle. No, it's not a circle. It's a square. Once again, I've got one more circle. One more circle. One more circle. And how about this? This is a standing line. And this is a sleeping line. Which shape is this? Oh, this is a triangle. Yes. I can turn this into a circle. No. So, this is a triangle. I'm going to put it here in this triangle basket. This is a heart. Can I correlate this with a triangle shape? Of course. Wow. One more heart. This is a wheel. Circle. Wheel. Will score up. Pizza piece. Triangle. And correlate this. Which shape is this? It's matching with a triangle. Yes. Square matching with the dice. One more triangle. I collected so many things. This is a grape toy. You can bring original grape, right? And look, see which shape this is matching with. This is matching with triangle shape. Okay, many more items. Circle. Once again, a circle. And this alphabet A is matching with triangle, isn't it? So I'm going to put it in this basket. Wow, a square with this bangle. After this, I tell you, I'm wearing this bangle. This is a circle. You can choose your ones. Bangle as well. Plate, round, sharp. One more pizza slice. One more bangle. And this is a square. This is a square. In a square, all sides are equal. And in a triangle, we have 3 sides. 3 vertices, 3 sides. And once again, this toy carrot is matching with the shape triangle.
Are you looking for the best preschool and daycare near you? Visit Footprints and explore the program suitable for your child. Find the program links in the description box.
And how about this watermelon toy? It matches with triangle. Keep imagining, keep innovating different shapes. Try to match. Thank you so much. So, I collected these items from my toy area. I would like to know how many items you collected in 1 minute timer. So let me count how many items matching with circle shape I collected, matching with square shape I collected, and matching with triangle shape I collected. I want to know your numbers. So write it down in comment section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wow, 10 items I collected. And in square section I collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items I collected. And in triangle section I collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. My highest number is 11, triangular shape. So want to know your highest number. So we are done with the activity. If you find this activity interesting, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and of course, comments for more fun and exciting videos. And parents, kindly do not forget to write anecdotes. Do not forget to take short notes about your child's behavior, emotions, excitements, observations, and so that you can analyze your child's growth and interest in, as I said. So how did you like the activity? Did you learn something new? Okay, I'm going to introduce new words, new vocabulary words are one. You can introduce your words right down in the comment section. My words are triangle, circle, square. Read them aloud with me. Triangle, circle, square. Okay parents, so it's a request. Do not forget to write short notes. We call it anecdote. Little excitements, observations, queries and emotions of a child while performing the activities. Do not forget to share that. We would be waiting eagerly in the comment section. And if you find this video interesting, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more fun-filled videos and hit the bell icon.